Hi everybody, so there I'm just gonna teach you some more things in the form. So actually what I'm just gonna do, this is the horizontal form. I'm just going to create another new one. Okay, after this one's form I'm just creating the div again and the page header again. Okay, now inside the page header I'm just creating the h2, not the h1 again. I can use the h2 as well, so why not I use the h2. So there I'm just typing some more form elements, whatever. Okay, so there, first of all I'm just clearing that I'm just gonna use the, wait for a while, yes, yeah, I'm just gonna use the horizontal form again. So the class form horizontal, going inside this form and then just creating the div again. Class form group. Okay, perfect. Now inside this form group I'm just creating the same things as I did before. Label, okay, there the full name and then the space class of control label and then the call md2. So now why I'm just doing the same thing as I did before, because I just want to make some more interesting things. I'm just gonna show you. Class call md10. Okay, input type text cover class form control save. Okay, I just did the single element there. Go to the browser and refresh now. Some more elements, and this is a simple thing, you already knew about that, but what more I'm just gonna teach you is the simply typing another, creating another div form group, and inside this I'm actually copying the previous one. Okay, I'm not typing again, simply copying and then removing the input and just pasting the text area. Okay, so definitely we can apply the class of form control to the text area as well. Form control, save and go to the browser and refresh now. This is the text area as you can see. So I hope you understood we can apply the text area as well. Comments, okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to create another one, div. Okay, which class I'm just putting is the form group again. Okay, now going inside and there, first of all I'm just creating a label, okay, the main label, and there in this label I'm just typing skills. Okay, and then what I'm just doing, class call md2 and the control label as well. So now just pressing enter, and after that creating a div. Okay, and the class I'm adding is call md10. Okay, the 2 columns are there and 10 columns are there, but right now I'm creating another div, but now I'm not gonna type the form group because I'm inside the form group. So what I'm just gonna put is the check box. Okay, so inside the checkbox I'm just creating another label. Okay, as I said that this is the main label and these are the sub labels, you can say, by the way. So there, just go inside the label and just put the input type and checkbox. Okay, now just mention the text which you just want to print there. I'm just typing Bootstrap, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got this one looking really perfect. This is the main label and this is a sub label. As I say to you, well, there isn't any label actually, we just collected the data inside the label. I'm copying the whole checkbox, pasting there. I just pasted the checkbox 3 times, or I'm just pasting 4 times by the way, and there I'm just typing code igniter. Okay, code igniter is an interesting framework of PHP to create some interesting applications. Laravel is in another PHP framework. By the way, after the Laravel, I'm just typing Angular JS. Well, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that all that are here. This is a way to create the checkboxes, but there is another interesting way we have. After that, I'm just creating another div and just mentioning the class again with the form group. Okay, form group is just like a raw for the form elements. Okay, nothing more than that. And again, the main label, so simple. I'm just doing the same thing as I did before, but I'll change something, a few things by the way. So the class should be call md2 again, and then here I'm just typing skills 2. Okay, I can type anything whatever I prefer, so I'm just going there just after the label and creating another div. I hope you have idea. What I'm just gonna do is call md10. Okay, now inside this call md10, I'm creating another div again. So now there I'm just typing the class of the checkbox, because I just wanted to create the checkbox again. So there is the label for the single element. You know about that, we have done this before, just like that we just did there, the checkbox and its label. So there I'm just covering this, and then the input type text cover. Now no need to put any class there in the input, but I'm just going to put the class here. I didn't do this there. These labels are empty because these are not inline, but I'm just going to create the inline checkbox. So checkbox inline, save. Now what to do more there, I'm just typing the skills, sorry, not the skills, the bootstrap, duplicate. Now I'm not copying the whole checkbox because I just want to create the inline checkbox, so don't need to copy the whole checkbox. Simply duplicate this, and there I'm just typing coordinator again. Okay, and then the spelling mistake there, it should be the, wait for a while, Laravel, and then I'm just typing the node.js. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see, oh, I have done a really simple mistake. This should be the checkbox, okay, not the text. Looking really perfect. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the bootstrap, coordinator, everything is fine. I'm just gonna paste the control label here, save and refresh. Now it's on the perfect manner as well. So I hope you understood how to create the skills, sorry, the checkboxes inline or the vertical. So now this is the time to learn the other elements of the form. I'm just going to teach you about the radio buttons. So creating the class for this, form group, going inside. Basically it works just same like the checkbox works. So right now I'm just simply copying the whole form group of the vertical checkbox. This, okay, this is the inline checkbox. I'm just copying the vertical checkbox form group and pasting there. Okay, so now just update the checkbox into radio, because this is the thing which we need to do if we just want to create the radio button. So let's just mention the radio there, do the same. Okay, and what more we need to do is to update these elements, radio, all of them are looking perfect. Okay, so now save that. Well, for now what I'm just gonna do is actually I'm removing this one. Okay, why I'm just removing, because I'm just thinking that the male and female is a perfect combination for the radio. Female, and save, and then go there, go to the browser and refresh this one. Now you got the skill, sorry, this shouldn't be the skill, this should be the gender, save and refresh. Now gender looking perfect. So what more I'm just gonna do is, first of all, sorry about that, removing the extra spaces. And then, so now this is the time to create the inline radio. So definitely I'm gonna copy this one, because as I said that the radio and checkbox ways are same in Bootstrap. So now just update the checkbox into radio. Okay, and there you know that the radio to checkbox to radio, copy this one and paste there, there, and there, and definitely here as well. Okay, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that this one, oh well, I just didn't update the text because there is a male and female, and there are the Bootstrap coordinator and whatever. So I just want to teach you the way, and I've teach you. So definitely these are the way to create the radio, the checkboxes, the text area. Okay, you've learned already about the select tag. So definitely you've learned all the things, all the basic things of the form. So guys, we're just about to learn some more things in the Bootstrap. Stay tuned and goodbye.